Hi, good evening students. Right, today we're going to be going through a step-by-step guide on how to answer a making a judgment question. Remember that this is for the NA exam. There are some differences between the NA Express, so please make sure that you are watching the correct video. So where do you start? First, you should break down the question statement. What is the question statement saying and what does it mean? Next, you then read the sources and locate the evidence within the sources that can help to answer the question statement. And lastly, you explain how the evidence agrees or disagrees with the question statement. We're going to be using a sample from the mid-year exam just to let you know. So the first thing, let's look at this question. To break it down, we must first understand some key phrases and key terms. How far do the sources in the case study show that government efforts, right, are successful in promoting racial harmony in Singapore? How do we break this down? What does success, right, in promoting racial harmony look like? What does a successful society that has racial harmony look like? Some answers could be this, right? Will be peaceful. There will be no conflict between people of different races. This is your outcome. So your source needs to show whether it agrees or disagrees in getting to this outcome. So let's take a look at one of the sources. I'm only looking at one part of the data. I'm not looking at everything. I'm just looking at a small part, which is the agree portion, and zooming in on the age group that is you can choose anyhow you want lah, but I chose the 18 to 25 because it's a significant number, right? The strongly agree make up a high percentage with 33.2% of Singaporeans aged 18 to 25 agree and 16.3% strongly agree. All right, so before, right, here is the answering technique just to recap, right? You must always use the sources to explain. You must give the answer by engaging with the source, right? Talk about what is inside the source and tell me how that leads to the outcome, right? Then, when you're writing different paragraphs, always remember to alternate between agree and disagree to show a balanced stand. And lastly, these are some tips for you when you want to use keywords for explanation. You can say this causes something, this leads to something, this allows, or this results in. Right. Thank you all very much for tuning in. I hope that this is a clearer understanding on how to explain and answer the making a judgment question. Right. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.